Hi, I'm Aditya Mishra. We are launching a new video series of what a case study is all about. Today we'll discuss what is the structure of the case. The whole case study should be divided into four basic components. First is asking the right preliminary questions. Then, understanding the core of the problem. Third, approaching it in a very structured manner. And then finally summarizing it or the recommendations if needed. So talking about the first part of the case, that is asking the right preliminary questions. So the preliminary questions are asked so as to clarify the whole scenario of the problem. So the whole preliminary questions can be divided into three main components. First is clarifying the objective. So clarifying the objective would mean what is a metric to decide the success of the problem. The second would be understanding the client, as in the client's geography, what is the value chain it operates in, and some other parameters. The third part of the preliminary questions would be some kind of a speedy sense info. If there is any technical term in the problem that we are not familiar with, and we can clarify with the client. So coming over to the second part of the problem, that is understanding the core. Over here, we structure the problem into a specific type of a case study. For example, if it is a profitability case study, or if it is a marketing case study, if it is a merger and acquisition, or some kind of a pricing strategy. So over here, we identify and then decide a framework that we need to operate in. So the fourth part of the problem is summarizing the case study. Over here, you have to tell the client what the objective you started with, how you were able to identify the problem, and if you have any recommendations so as to solve that problem, and you can give over there and identify how is it implementable or not. Here are a few recommendations while solving a case study that you should always remember. So first is take pauses. That will help you to calm down and understand where the case study is heading towards. The second is ask preliminary questions. That will help you to generate an overall idea as in where the problem can lie. Third would be try to break the problem in as many as categories that you can. This will help you to consolidate your problem into one particular bucket. And the last one would be if there is any technical term in the problem, do go for it. Do ask the client what does it mean.